Hello everyone. Now it's time for maths. In last period, we had done the topic using bar models for problem solving. And for that, we had seen addition models, subtraction models, and comparison model. So after that, I told you exercise 3F that is given. If you can do by yourself. And one of the example I will explain you. So let us see, we will see the first example. Ashima and her sister have pooled money to buy a gift for their mother. If Ashima gave rupees 46 and her sister gave rupees 54, how much did the gift cost? So now we will draw a bar model like this. It is given here only. Now cost of the gift we will write in these two portion. Ashima had given 46 and her sister had given 54. We will write both the figures here and afterwards we have to find the cost of the gift. So if we will add this number, we can have the total number of cost. So here what will we do? Here we have to write 46 plus 54 is equals to 100. So answer will be 100 here. Okay. So this exercise that you have to do in the textbook only, because you have to write the numbers only here. The calculation, the addition, whatever we need, that you can do separately in the uh, सेपरेट पेज ऑल्सो एंड आफ्टरवर्ड यू कैन राइट आंसर हियर. इसका जो एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन जो भी करना है वो कैलकुलेशन अगर आप साइड में किसी पेज पे भी करोगे तो चलेगा, बट हियर यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर ओनली that 46 plus 54 is equals to 100. Like this you have to do this exercise. All the sums you have to do like this. It is very easy because bar models are given here. Some information are also given here. So we have to write here the numbers and do the calculation. And I hope you all can do by yourself. Try to do by yourself. Otherwise, I will explain you in the online class. Now we will go to the next page. Building skills, not enough information. Some subtraction problems may not have all the information you need to solve them. मतलब कई subtraction के problems ऐसे होते हैं कि जिसमें हमें जितनी भी चाहिए उतनी भी information नहीं होती है. अमृता ग्रैनी See here the example is given. Amrita's granny gave her rupees 200 for Diwali. अमृता की ग्रैनी ने उसको 200 रुपीस दिवाली पे दिए थे. अमृता used some of it to buy a book. अमृता ने उसमें से कुछ पैसे बुक खरीदने के लिए खर्च किए. How much money was left with her? तो अब उसके पास कितने पैसे बचे. और अगर इस तरह से अगर कोई इंफॉर्मेशन है तो इसमें इंफॉर्मेशन इनफ नहीं है, क्योंकि सिर्फ 200 रुपीज दिए हैं, सिर्फ उतनी इंफॉर्मेशन है और कोई नंबर नहीं दिया है, तो वी कैन नॉट कैलकुलेट दिस सम्स. द प्रॉब्लम डज नॉट गिव अस द कॉस्ट ऑफ द बुक. It does not have all the information we need to solve the problem, so we cannot solve the problem and find the answer to the question. अमृता के पास 200 रुपीज थे, उसने कुछ रुपीज के लिए बुक ली, तो बुक के कितने पैसे हैं कि कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, तो हम ऐसे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. नाउ वी विल सी द एक्सरसाइज 3C. Some of the subtraction problems given below may have all the information you need to solve it. यहाँ पर कुछ सम ऐसे हैं कि जिसमें सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है others may not, और कुछ में नहीं है. Write not enough information for the ones that do not have all the information you need and solve the rest. और जिसमें पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है तो उसमें हमें लिखना है not enough information. Okay, so now we will do this. First one, a cartoon of 200 biscuit packets has 125 packets of chocolate biscuits. The rest are jam biscuits. How many packets of jam biscuits does it have? So here the information is given that एक कार्टून में एक बॉक्स में 200 बिस्किट के पैकेट थे. उसमें से 125 चॉकलेट बिस्किट थे. तो बाकी के जैम बिस्किट के कितने थे? सो हियर आर द इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन. यहाँ पर पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन है. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल डू 200 minus 125. So the answer will be 75. We have to write here. Just here we can write. Let me show one only. एक मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है 200 minus 125 is equal to, what will be the answer? 75. Okay, so like this you can write here. So there in this sum enough information is there, so we can do this. And afterward, second sum, Pritam's mother baked 656 butter biscuits and some cashew biscuits for the school feast. How many more butter biscuits than cashew biscuits did she bake? Now here we can see only one number is given, that Pritam's mother baked 656 butter biscuits. यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक ही इंफॉर्मेशन है कि 656 बटर बिस्किट्स दिए गए हैं, पर कैश्यू बिस्किट्स कितने थे या तो टोटल कितने थे ऐसे कोई भी नंबर नहीं दिए हैं. तो हम यहाँ पे उसका कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं कर सकते. तो यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है नॉट इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन. यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है नॉट इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन. यू कैन राइट हियर. यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. उसके बाद next, in one leap year there were 197 school days. How many days were there in holidays? Now here how will we do this? See, in a leap year there were 197 school days. So leap year में 197 स्कूल डेज थे. तो हाउ मेनी डेज वेर हॉलीडेज, तो छुट्टियां कितनी थी? नाउ हियर यू विल से कि हियर मैम ओनली वन नंबर इज गिवन, सो हाउ विल वी काउंट? बट वी नो दैट in a leap year how many days are there in a year? All of you know that. If you forget, you have to remember that in a leap year there are 366 days in a year, in a leap year. So what will we do? The 366 divided by 197, and whatever the answer is there, that you have to write here. Okay. So like these only you have to write here 366 minus 197 is equals to whatever the answer comes. Now next, Nandita read 138 pages of her storybook. How many pages does she yet have to read to complete the book? So here is given one number. Nandita read 138 pages. यहाँ पर दिया है 138 पेजेस नंदिता ने बुक में से रीड कर लिए हैं. तो अब उसको कितने पेजेस रीड करने के बाकी है, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. तो हमें अभी यहाँ पर ये नहीं दिया है कि बुक के टोटल कितने पेजेस है, तो इसमें पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, तो ये सब में हम लिखेंगे नॉट इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन। तो ये सम का आंसर होगा नॉट इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन। एंड द लास्ट वन, दैट Anshu's family bought 198 packets of milk in the month of January and February. How many packets did his family buy in February alone? So here is also given only one number ki 198 packets of milk they bought in month of January and February. Separately any number is given, so we can't identify एक नंबर ऐसा नहीं है कि जिससे हमें पता चले कि हम फरवरी में उन्होंने कितने मिल्क के पैकेट लिए. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी विल राइट नॉट इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन. हियर ऑल्सो वी विल राइट दिस वन, नॉट इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन. So like this we have to do this, and I think all of you understood about these two pages, and I think we will do this much only for today. We will do the next pages in the next period, but you just see the next page, that is chapter checkup, and you know that that is your homework. As chapter checkup that you have to do by yourself, so that is your homework that you have to do by yourself. Okay, so now this much topics I had covered in this, and I had explained some sums, so you have to do by yourself. The homework is that only this page number 65 and page number 63. 63, 64 एंड 65, ये तीनों पेजेस में कुछ कुछ सम है जो आपको करने हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ यू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ, और आपको कुछ भी डाउट है देन यू कैन आस्क मी. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.